Former President Robert Mugabe's son, Chatunga Mugabe, was arrested in South Africa today or this afternoon after a shooting incident. And this is something which we need to take a look upon right here so as to understand what really happened, what really transpired. So according to the information, he shot a Gardner, and according to SABC, he shot him once. So my network is quite slow, but let us take a look onto this one.
That from at least the information that you have on the ground, that the victim or injured party could possibly be in a critical condition. Is that a fact?
Just give me a second, Mfundo. Sir, you look very distressed at this point, and I'm really sorry to come through. Are you part of the family members? I see you're very concerned about what is taking place inside. Do you perhaps know the Mugabe family? You're very concerned about what's happening here.
No, I'm working for them.
Oh, you're working for the Mugabe family. What have you heard? What's going on? Are you also trying to get inside?
No, I want to help them because they're calling me inside. It's my boss.
Oh, all right. Balamain is your boss. Oh, all right. Have police indicated why Balamain was in handcuffs a few moments ago?
No, I don't know. That's why I come to. I want to ask what's going on. Yeah.
All right. Did you hear about anything relating to a shooting that took place here?
No, I hear that, but I don't know what's happening. That's why I want to know.
Oh, all right. And what is your name?
My name is Batista.
Oh, Batista. And are you a private security for Balamain Mugabe?
Yes.
Oh, you are. All right, sir. And at about what time did all of this happen? When were you called here?
No, they're calling me just now.
They were calling you just now?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if they're going to allow you in here, but it's breaking news at this particular point. Mfundo, I can tell you, this is Batista, who is a private security for Balamain Mugabe, who we told you was in handcuffs a bit earlier on. That I can certainly, that I can certainly confirm for you. He confirms that he is the private security for Balamain Mugabe, and Balamain Mugabe has been calling him. In fact, a call came through just a few moments ago, and they're asking him to go inside, but police are really refusing at this time. I think police are indicating this is a crime scene. He is not allowed to come inside or to go inside for that matter. And he does indicate he is a private security. He works for Balamain Mugabe, who is the son of Zimbabwe's late president, Robert Mugabe. He's in handcuffs. We need to get more details. I really do not want to speculate. But getting back to your question, again, try to answer that. On our way coming here, Mfundo, my sources did tell me that the individual that was shot was rather in a critical condition and has now since been taken to hospital. All right, has been taken to hospital. So I am not sure at this particular stage what his condition is. The allegation is that it is a guard that has been shot. There seems to have been some kind of altercation. Those are about the only details that I have at this particular stage. But there seems to be some negotiation. Batista, maybe I could just bring. All right. I think he's said enough at this particular point. I think some of the friends also have a.
So this is what happened. Balamain Chatunga Mugabe is said to have shot a Gardner. That is according to the latest information which is available so far and right now, which has been verified. And there are sources which are saying he shot him multiple times, but according to the other report of the SABC, they say that he was shot once. And there were negotiations because it seems as if Balamain had locked himself inside a room, and they had to negotiate, and he had to get arrested. Sophie Mukwena also reported and said that the Mugabe family, or Mai Mugabe, was notified about the incident which happened right there in South Africa. And she said that former Zimbabwean First Lady, Grace Mugabe, has received the message that his son, Balamain Mugabe, is allegedly shot a Gardner in Hyde Park, Johannesburg, South Africa. That is what Sophie Mukwena had to say regarding this matter. And a lot of questions are being asked, what is really happening at this point? Remember, there is a lot of controversy which is happening in Zimbabwe, and on the other side, the Mugabe family, they are also having an ending controversies. Each and every time you hear a story about Mugabe family, there is a story. Last time Chatunga was arrested along the Bedbridge Masvingo Road for allegedly assaulting a police officer or for obstruction of justice after they had a challenge or an altercation with the police officers. So I'm not so sure how that matter ended, but that is the last report which we heard about him. And he has been in South Africa for quite a long time, and this is the news we are hearing right now, that he has been arrested. So when you're looking at all these issues, it's a very sad situation that they are involved in such activities. A lot of people are, are saying that and those are the things which are being said at this point in time. And you cannot deny such utterances when people say it's because of their behavior, it's because of the kind of life they are living in. There's a drama, including the older one, Robert. The sister got divorced, and you wonder what is really happening and what is transpiring right there. So, Mugabe chinchauraya BP because vapana vari kuita pese nepavanogona napo to make sure kuti mukadzi uyu BP inogara yakakwira. Imagine vana vanofanira kuva source of joy, but these ones I don't see them being source of joy. But vanhu spiritualists or those who believe in spiritual things, then they weigh in and say, is it because of so many people who perished kubva kugukura hundi kupi vanhu vese vakapera pakati. Do you think, or don't you think kuti sometimes mwariwo vane kuripa kwavanongozoita kuti vanhu vashaye rugare, even nemhuri dzavo dzishaye rugare? So in this matter, I think the charges are not yet so clear, but I think by tomorrow we will be knowing the charges. Because of the condition, he's said to be in critical condition, which means you might see Chatunga being charged with a possible attempted murder, and that is a very, very, dangerous case for him criminally, and that would even put him in jail for quite some time. So it's a very sad situation. I think with the investigations, with time, we'll be able to know what really happened, what really transpired, why is it that he was shot. But what we can tell from now, according to the reports, the police are saying that they failed to recover the gun which was used for that crime. So they do not know the whereabouts of the gun. So that is another issue which is being reported at this point in time. So they've confirmed that yes, indeed, it was a gun wound or a gunshot, but the gun cannot or could not be located. So we'll be watching to see how the police are going to charge him, what will be the charges, how are they going to deal with this matter, and so forth, and to be gathering and giving you more updates. So it's a disgrace to not only to the Mugabe family, but to the entire Zimbabwean family, because we never expected to see such things happening. We never expected to see people getting so low like that. But vangaita sei ndozvo zvavakanga vakajaira kuti munhu wese anomhanya under command, ukaita zvekutamba unongorwa bara and nothing happens. But remember, their father is no longer in charge, and they're now in another country where the rule of law might be applied impartially. So this is very important. This is what we have for you. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts. But before I go, let me a few comments. My brother Temba says, thank you very much for this contribution as well. Beauty says, Chatunga nisikanzwa too much. Kuzizwa nzasimuka mamepo anatongo garana chitepo. Yes, thank you very much everyone for these contributions. I just want to acknowledge everyone who is live with us from Facebook and from YouTube. Both of you, makati koshera hama dzangu. Regai sangane mune zvimwe zvirongwa, chiramba chisaisa zvinhu zviri kuitika mukati menyika yeZimbabwe.